I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili olive oil. This versatile condiment is surprisingly simple to prepare at home and elevates countless meals with its vibrant flavor and gentle heat. We will cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the best storage practices, ensuring you can enjoy your homemade chili oil for weeks. Get ready to transform your cooking with this easy and rewarding recipe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1½ cups of a good quality extra virgin olive oil. Its flavor forms the base. Next, measure out 3 tablespoons of dried red chili flakes. For an extra layer of aroma, consider adding 2 cloves of thinly sliced fresh garlic. Finally, a small pinch of sea salt can really bring out all the wonderful flavors in your oil. Now for the exciting part, infusing the oil. Pour your olive oil into a small saucepan and heat it gently over low heat. Once the oil is warm, add your 3 tablespoons of chili flakes and any optional aromatics like garlic. Keep the temperature low, ideally around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent burning. Let it infuse for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your chili oil has cooled completely, it is time to prepare it for storage. Carefully strain the infused oil through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, sterilized glass jar, discarding the solids. Ensure the jar is airtight to maintain freshness. You can store your homemade chili olive oil in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, or at room temperature for about 1 month. Enjoy this flavorful oil on pizzas, pasta, eggs, or roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.